Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have a barking dog. And I have these, well, there's the barcode for it, LED sensor lights. So let's check this thing out and see how it works. So we have, here is the light, and here is another light. And here are the mounts. So let's open this up. So it's like we got two of these in here. So here's the solar panel, and it looks like it's all just gonna kind of flex out. So we can do kind of like this and aim it wherever we want. So let's see, how do we turn this thing on? Is there a button here? So we have, you can see in the back, there is a little switch. So it's got a few different switches. It's got mode 1, 2, and 3. So I think we're gonna have to look at the instructions to figure out what these different modes are. But it does come with the mounting screws and stuff, so that's kind of nice. So we can mount it up on the corners of the house or wherever we want. It's nice because it's solar, so we don't have to worry about plugging it in. So let's see what the different modes are. Mode 1 is sensitive highlights. That means the lights are on, and they're off when people leave. Okay, mode 2 is always on, and it's always at 10% of the brightness. And mode 3 is at dim mode, so it's always on dim, and then it lights up, I guess, when people get close. Low and bright, low brightness, 3%. So yeah, so let's see. So let's try the little buttons and see what happens here. So let's see, how do we do this? Oh, and then this, I guess, is gonna be the mount for it. Oops, two mounts. So we'll screw this onto the wall somewhere, and then this will slide into it there, and then we can kind of aim it based on where we want it to be. So, so depending on how we want it, we will mount it that way. So let's see, before we mount it, let's see. So this is mode 1, so this is gonna be the bright mode. It's on when there's motion. These are the motion sensors, and off when it's not. Mode 2 is just dim all the time. And mode 3 is the dim when there's no motion and bright when there is motion. So, but these are so bright. Look at that, man. It lights up this whole room. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm gonna go put these outside and we'll give them a shot. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys where I decided to put one, and it is right there. Check it out. So it's on the side of my shed, so it'll kind of on the motion sensor and stuff, because the dogs are always kind of coming out here at night. So I thought, hey, what a great idea. And then I'm gonna put the other one on the other side there, so it'll kind of shine that way. So how cool is that? This is really nice, and it's super bright. It lights up the whole thing. So I'm gonna say it's awesome. I don't know what that noise was, but super cool. Thumbs up from me on this for sure. And that's it. And I don't know what mode I left it in. I probably left it in the always bright mode. So I probably need to change it to the dim mode. Oh no, it's on the, it'll dim when it's motion, but here, I'll show you what it looks like. This is the dim mode, and then this is the motion sense mode. So super cool. I like it. So thumbs up.